DOS Trader Tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. Hey traders, this is William, and in this DOS tutorial, you will learn multiple ways on how to switch between your live real money trading account and your paper money simulator trading account, as well as how to reset and change your equity and buying power in your simulator account. Follow these steps and you will learn how to do that right now. The simplest way to switch between your live and simulator account is to use the montage. Look at your montage and find your account number. If it's showing the first number as a U, that means you are trading in your live account with real money. Select this arrow and you should be able to find any other accounts you linked up. And if you have an account that starts with TRI, that is your simulator paper account. If you select that account, now your trade, the next trade you take, will be in your simulator account. If you go back to the account starting with U, now you're in real money. But just be careful. If your default setting always shows the U real money account and you switch it through the montage to your simulator account starting with TRI and make a trade, once you change that ticker to anything, let's just do Tesla, it automatically defaults back to the real money account, and you might think you're still in simulator if you don't look. So how do we change that and make a default global settings? In the top left, click Setup. Select Order Templates. Now, where it shows account, you can make it default either your simulator or your real account starting in U. Let's do the simulator. Okay, this is for the exchange of NASDAQ. I will click Apply, and I can select this arrow, and I want to make the same setting for any NYSE stocks I select. So click on that exchange. I want that to be in simulator also. Then click Apply. But actually, I want all exchanges, no matter what stock I'm trading, to auto default to my simulator account. I can select this, apply this setting to all exchanges. Okay, now it's applied, hit quit, and now if I change tickers, watch my account. It's a TRI. Let's try again. TRI. Let's try an OTC. TRI. Now it is always on the TRI. You can always change it right here to go back to the real account and trade in real, and you can always change your default setting. And now that you know how to switch between your real and simulator account, let's learn how to change and reset your buying power and equity in your simulator account. In the top left, click Trade, then select Account. Find the account that starts with TRI, right-click that, and scroll down to reset buying power and equity. Okay, now, start with equity. Let's say we want to start with $50,000 in equity. And then usually the buying power is 4-to-1, so we would times that by 4, but you can do it to whatever you want. And I'll type in 200,000, and usually the overnight buying power is 50%. So we would select 100,000, okay? Once you hit commit and quit, you can double click on this TRI account, and you can see my equity is 50,000, my buying power is 200,000. Now let's say you have a small account, or you will have a future small account, and you want to trade very realistically. Close this box by clicking the X. Once again, right click on the TRI account, select Reset Buying Power Equity, and let's start with an account of, let's say, $4,000. And then in the daily box right here, 4-to-1 margin is 16,000. And the overnight is the overnight buying power, which usually is 50% of the daily. So let's do 8,000. Click commit, quit, and now double click on the TRI account, and you can see your equity is 4,000, your buying power is 16,000, and you can realistically change this to whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching once again. And if you have any questions about this video or any future videos you would like, please ask us in our chat room, the forum page, or in the YouTube comments below.